Hello everyone, welcome back to Hood Trends Guide. In this video I will show you guys how to clear cache on TikTok. If you want to clear your cache, maybe your TikTok is kind of slow, you want to clear cache, this video tutorial will show you how to clear the cache on TikTok. Just follow me till the end of this video to get every step of it. So for you to clear your cache, just log on to your TikTok. Once you open your TikTok application this way, wait for it to load. Once you're in your TikTok like this, you click on profile at the bottom right, you click on profile. Once you click on profile, as you can see, I'm currently in my profile. Then you click on the three line at the top right, this three line at the top right, you click on it, you click on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you scroll down, you see the clear cache here. As you can see, I have 45 M. So if you want to clear this cache now, you click on clear cache. It's currently clearing. As you can see, it has gone down to 0. So I've successfully cleared my cache on this TikTok account now. So guys, that is it on how to clear cache on TikTok. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in my next one.